Why does your scanner show the P1338 engine code? And what it does mean? P1338 is a diagnostic trouble code for camshaft position sensor bank, one open circuit or short to positive. P1338 is an engine error code that indicates a malfunction with the camshaft position sensor bank 1. This could be an open circuit or a short to positive. If you see this code, you should stop driving and have your vehicle repaired immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty ignition coils, worn timing chain, defective camshaft sensor, malfunctioning crankshaft sensor, variable valve timing issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in BMW models, Jaguar, Peugeot, and Mini Cooper. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.